Yo, what's poppin', Snake Gang? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hit that like button, smash the follow button, and do all that good shit. Right now, I'm actually currently on my way to the shop where the Rolls Royce is being wrapped. A lot of you guys want to see what it looks like, so we're gonna go there. We're gonna show you how it looks, see what the progress has been like. They've been kind of slow on it, but I'll just kind of see if they're gonna be done anytime soon, pretty much, and show you guys where it's at. With that being said, you guys know what time it is, man. It's another, I would call it a strategy type of video where I'm gonna teach you guys how you can actually make anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per day trading coins like Shibi Inu, however the fuck you say it, Dogecoin, and all those other good altcoins that are like meme coins and not so Bitcoinish, because you know with Bitcoin you're not gonna make a lot of money trading. Everyone knows this. But with altcoins you can make a lot of money even per day trading. So I'm gonna teach you guys how I'm making thousands of dollars per day trading altcoins and all that good shit. We're almost to the place. I'm about to show you the Rolls Royce, show you what I'm doing to it, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in a little bit. We're here. All right, what's going on? We're right here at the I gotta remember the name.
Forgot the name?
Oh, Royalty 10. All right, run it back. Ready?
Yeah.
All right, so we're right here at Royalty 10 of Orange County. I'm about to look at the Rolls Royce real quick. What's going on, bro? How's it going? Yeah. Well, originally the car was black, just a regular paint. This is cool, I like it, but you know I like to do like that matte style, just like the Lambo and everything else. It's not matte, it's actually a satin white, which is like a mix between matte and gloss, but I got a discount on the Rolls Royce. It didn't come with the grill. So yeah, this is what we're working on right now. Just want to show you guys real quick. A lot of you guys been asking about it. Where is it? Do I even really get one? And obviously it's been in the shop. It's coming out smooth. I do like the original black though, but I like the matte, the satin, that look, like that classic look. They're gonna white out the rims still. And we actually did the interior. It was like a brown. I don't like that brown look, the wood, so that's why it's all black now in the interior. So yeah, that's what we're doing with the Rolls Royce. Should be done the next week and a half, and I'll show you guys the finished product. With all that being said, I know why you guys are here, so we're gonna get into the breakdown because that's all you guys care about. And I'm sure I'm probably talking to myself right now. Probably nobody's watching this. They're just fast forward to the breakdown. But if you're still watching this, that's the Rolls Royce, and I'll see you guys for the breakdown. Now, before you guys judge me, yes, I know that his fucking left ear came off. That's not an ear. I know that his horn fell off. I was actually filming the other day. It fell off, scared the shit out of me. I know it fell off and I know it looks stupid right now. I'm gonna glue that back on. That will not be like that for the next video because that looks hilarious right now. He has one hoof. Nope. But we're here on SHIB. But before I actually break SHIB down for you and kind of like how you can do this, what I'm talking about, I do got to show you guys this, man. If you don't already have my Clarity Forex app, you need to get it. It's free. I have weekly recaps, huge trade breakdowns, crypto outlooks, and so much more, all for free. I mean, we even have a mini course right here for free. It's amazing. So go get the app, man. You got free content, all that good shit. For those of you who want to take signals with me and actually trade with me live, there is a paid signal option where I'm sending out every single trade I get in, whether it's crypto, Forex, whatever the case may be. It's coming in as a signal to my paid users, which by the way, last week we actually did not lose a single trade. We won every single trade, scalping the NASDAQ markets, which is stocks, and then GBP USD, which is Forex, and cryptos are coming in as well. So get on there, man. It's well worth it. Trust me, we're making a lot of people a lot of money. Let's go ahead and get right into how I actually am able to make $1,000 a day or more trading cryptos, scalping cryptos on a smaller time frame, right? So let's go ahead and get into this, man. Okay, we're looking at SHIB right now, and as you can see, not only do we have a breakout, we have a break and a retest, right? Price broke above this resistance, came back to retest it. Price actually made a very nice support zone, but I would actually call this demand as well, right? Because this is aggressive buying. This is a demand zone where price may come back and actually retest this zone. You have to remember, when you look at demand zones or supply zones, it's not just the very bottom of that zone, right? That's not the demand there. To me, the demand is everything to the side of it as well. So this whole area would be a demand zone where price pushed, you know, got its orders pushed, came back. Sometimes you'll fill orders and collect orders before continuing up. Obviously right here, price did not come all the way back to that demand zone, but we did come back to this little bit of a previous supply zone and retested it and kind of just took off, right? So this is really resistance and supply because we had aggressive selling to the downside. Same thing when it goes up. This is aggressive buying is demand, okay? It's very simple. If you want more like info on supply and demand, let me know. If not, there's other people who do YouTube videos on it. You can find it on the internet and it'll break down supply and demand for you. COVID and shit. Pretty simple way to trade, but it's definitely worth it. So when it comes down to trading SHIB and trading any of these altcoins, right? Because remember, all these altcoins move similar and you can catch the same setups on any of them. How you're going to actually catch these trades is, for one, where is price on a higher time frame, such as the H4 or the daily, okay? H4 is telling us, let's just say for an example, we'll actually put this in replay mode here. Price is telling us, hey, we're probably going to retest this and go bullish, right? We know that we're most likely going to go bullish from an H4/daily standpoint. With that being said, as we push away from this demand zone, what are we going to do? We're going to go to a smaller time frame. Hopefully it lets us. So let's just go to the 5 minute here. And we're going to look for breakouts. Breakouts are pretty simple. It's a pretty simple pattern. All you want to see is a trend like this, right? A simple trend, and then boom, ups and bottoms, right? What does that mean? It's like a channel. You have your trend line on the bottom and a trend line on the top. So all we want to see is a squeeze formation. So what I mean by a squeeze formation is you want to see this price start to squeeze, get skinnier and skinnier, and then boom, break out. So when price breaks out of that upper trend, when we're looking for buys, we would take our buy position. So right here, as you can see, what do we have? We have a breakout. It's a beautiful breakout squeeze pattern. That's what I love to call it. This is how I trade these cryptos, these altcoins, pretty much NASDAQ, all these different things. It's all pretty similar. So once I saw that, supply and demand was telling me, hey, we're going up, we're on that trend, or, maybe we're doing support, resistance, whatever the case may be on a higher time frame. It's for you to decide what you want to kind of consider it's a buying time. We go down on our small time frame and we look for a squeeze breakout. So when we saw this squeeze breakout, all we simply did was take our buy position, and whether we're trading with leverage or we're on a regular, just a regular trading account, no leverage, we're going to take our buy here. And for me, I like to have my stops pretty tight. I like to have my stop loss just about in here, okay? Why I do that is because if this price breaks back inside of this channel, inside of this breakout formation, then most likely it was a fake out. It wasn't a breakout, it was a fake out. And I don't mean to rhyme, even though I'm rhyming, I know I'm rapping. But realistically, look, price is breaking out. If it comes back, it's inside here again and starts to come under it, it was a false breakout. It wasn't a real breakout, it was a fake out. What would we like to target? Well, we can easily target our our former resistance, or a little bit of a I wouldn't say this is a supply zone. It was a little bit aggressive selling, but not really. But really just want to kind of go for that next resistance, right? And for me, when I trade, I have a huge account, so I'm able to actually not go for that next resistance. I'm able to just trail my stop loss and follow it all the way to the upside. And the higher we get, I would just go to break even and then continue on. And if we break even, we break even. It happens. We're not going to win every single trade. What I like to do, instead of having a take profit at a previous resistance, I'll have my take profit way up there. And instead what I'll do, and I talked about this in my last video, I'm just going to actually take my stop loss. Let's say this was my stop loss, and just trail it. I'm going to literally trail my stop loss. And right here, we would have, stopped out at a 1-to-1. But in most cases, you will see price will continue to go up, 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 up. And you can actually chase that trade all the way to the top, and then when you finally get stopped out, you're already in so much profit, it worked out for you. Okay, see what I'm saying? So it's very, very nice to trail your stop loss, and it sounds weird, but trade without a take profit. Okay, with that being said, that's pretty much how I'm doing it. I'm going to show you guys some more examples just so you can see, but let's go ahead and go H4 as we continue to go up 5, and I'll go ahead and show you some different breakout examples and go on from there. So right here, as you can see, we're in a uptrend. Cool. This is an uptrend to you guys. This is something you want to see is an uptrend. You want to see that you're trending up. Now, when I say uptrend, you don't have to have a trend line like this. It just means you're going up. So for me, I'll usually just take my arrow tool and I will say, hey, we're trending to the upside. This is a uptrend. Even though we're not connecting on each trend line, it's still going up. We're still making up movements. Market structure looks good. It's an uptrend. As long as I know I'm in an uptrend, all I'm gonna do is look for breakouts. The same squeeze breakout pattern I said before, that's all we're gonna look for. And as you can see right here, we had the breakout. We could have went long right here, stops just under that candle, and we could have either targeted our next resistance zone, like I said, or in this example, take profits could have been wherever you wanted them to be. And you could have just stops to break even, right? Simple stops to break even, and then trail that stop loss. And I can kind of show you guys a little example if it helps. But let's say you're right here, this white line's your stop loss. You're just gonna trail it. And as it gets taller, it goes further, what are you gonna do? You're gonna chase that trade. Boom, right under that previous support. Now, candle to candle. Look at that. Look at how much money you can really make. What if it never stops? Like, what if it just kept going for months and months and months, and you literally kept trailing your stop loss on a 5-minute chart? Let's say your stop loss is 20 bucks. Your win is gonna be 30 times 20. 30 of those losses to the positive side. That's what you want. That's why you're gonna trail your stop loss using the strategy. As you can see, you got stopped out there, but it's okay. Okay, it's okay because you already made a shit ton of money right here, like a lot of money. And you gotta remember, something like SHIB got a low market cap. This is not like Bitcoin. It's not like you're trading Bitcoin anymore. You can make a lot of money really fast trading something like SHIB. or Dodge, or I mean any of these things. AVAX is okay, Phantom. The bigger ones like XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, those ones you're not gonna make as much. But trading these little altcoins, you can make a lot of money. I'll continue to show you guys some more breakouts. I know you guys like to see examples. So there was a breakout there, very nice breakout. So as you guys can see, they're not hard to find. When you trade with leverage, you gotta be careful trading with leverage using Dogecoin, SHIB, any of these altcoins, because remember, there's always gonna be liquidity that is going to fuck you. Like you're literally gonna get fucked sometimes. Like look at this right here. Price just randomly took a shit and then continued back up, took everyone out and continued its path. So you got to be very careful, but it's still, I think that you can make a lot of money trading with leverage or without leverage, either way. But realistically, trading with leverage is a little more dangerous when it comes to trading altcoins. Look at this right here, man. Another breakout, right? We have a uptrend, and then right here we just have a regular resistance zone. When price broke above and closed, we could have taken our long position, stops just below, and again, we could have just trailed our stop loss and followed it. Okay, it's that simple, guys. And this is potentially a 1 to 5. Almost a 1 to 6. It's literally that simple, guys. We're just trading breakout squeeze formations. I'm showing you guys, I'm giving you guys the sauce off of supply and demand, support resistance, trend line breaks, and all that good shit on a higher time frame. It's literally that simple. One thing to keep in mind is always keep up with Bitcoin, right? If Bitcoin, is making higher highs and you think, everyone's buying Bitcoin and, it's going crazy, coming off that demand zone, whatever the case may be, well, then you might want to look for buys on the altcoins as well, because a lot of times they're going to follow the same pattern. Recently, we had Bitcoin create its highest high ever, and once we hit that all-time high, we started to see price try to come back down, but price did find a little bit of a support zone, and I think we're going to come back and break above. We're going to hit all-time highs again. So as you're watching this right now, if you're watching this on the first week this video came out, I do believe right now is a beautiful time to buy SHIB, all the other altcoins as well, and just wait it out, and I'm pretty sure by the end of quarter 4 you're going to be very happy. I think you're gonna be very, very happy. I do believe, this is my prediction, I do believe Bitcoin will hit anywhere from $80,000 to $90,000 by the end of quarter 4. Okay, this is my prediction right here. I do believe we will end quarter 4 up in this area. So again, I do believe SHIB and all these other altcoins are very good buys right now. I have hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars in altcoins, a lot of it being in SHIB, Dodge, AVAX, Solano, Cardano, everything. I'm in everything. I have, tens of 20,000s of dollars in each coin, some coins more, but then I'm just sitting there and I'm letting it sit. Trust me, by the end of quarter 4, we're all going to be very happy with the results. So like I said, man, that's how I'm finding breakouts and making a lot of money per day trading SHIB and other altcoins daily. With that being said, I love you guys. If you want more videos like this, let me know down below and I will make sure to get those out for you. And in the meantime, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new. Follow me on Instagram at MambaFx Trading. And don't forget to get my Clarity Forex app where I'm teaching Forex, Bitcoin. What am I saying right now? When it's the end of the video, I get tired. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Get my Clarity Forex app where I'm teaching crypto, Forex, and all other ways to trade for free every single day. Get the app down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Don't tell me how I'm feeling when you really don't know. Used to be my little shotty at all of my shows. Yeah, I bust a couple shots if you fuck with my bro. Now you're thinking that you're wrong, cause you know what I don't. Started at the bottom and you used to be here. You seeing that I'm up and you say it's not fair. You wanted me back, but I really don't.